And good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Gonna active rest day, so I'm just gonna do some cardio at the gym later on today. Just cleaning up the apartment because it's pretty dirty. Tidy up and stuff and whatnot. See you guys at the light cardio session. Good active rest day. Nah, it was a good workout. I didn't get a chance to be on the punching bag. These guys were like, they stayed on the area doing their workout, so I was like, oh no, we're just there's other things to do. So I might come back later tonight to do some boxing. Going to do food shop. Woo! And finish with the rest of my my daily chores. Whoops.
More moments later.
And let's review what I did this week. So this week I introduced like some cardio into my daily routine. It's pretty tiring, and I'm keeping the weights light as well. Still pretty disappointed from the weigh-in, but I can only look forward from there. So we're gonna do more cardio. Hopefully today is a sneak peek at what I'm going to do, or what cardio I'm going to introduce. So a lot of HIIT stuff. Just found out there's a track and field nearby, so it'll be good to use that for sprinting. Prepped all my food. We're gonna try this intermittent fasting thing. I'm starting to, yeah, we'll see how it goes. These awkward pauses. I forgot what it was. Oh yeah. Sometimes I don't record all of the stuff that I do at the gym, only because the angles are some of the angles are pretty crap, and then I just cut that out. So I will try to get everything that I do, try to get it in, just so if anyone's using it as a base to what they're doing, then they can copy or whatever. Or you just hit me up and send me an email or whatever. So yeah, so that concludes this week. And see you guys next time.